and opportunities over there that I'm going to discuss. And so let's get started. And over here, I'm going to discuss that what are the opportunities for a startup. So when we are going to start anything, so first of all, we need an idea. So how we can get that idea? So that is very much important. So first of all, when we talk about why startup, so in today current scenarios, it's very tough to get a job, and that post-COVID. Dear participant, kindly when you are joining it, kindly mute your mic. So that would be great. Okay, thank you so much. So now when we have to start anything, so why startup? This one is very important to understand with the job that after doing study, they have to work hard, they have to get good marks, and after that they have to get a good placement in industry, or they have to do a government job. So that is a mindset that is being prepared from your childhood. And after that, in a education system, also in a colleges and schools, you are seeing few role models like your family member, your family friends, and a few good employees. But when we talk about a startup, it's a very different out of these traditional job and traditional career options. And there is a lot of struggle also.
Mrs.
So
Shivansh,
there is a lot
please.
of struggle also. So first of all, we are going to discuss startup. There is two type of a entrepreneur. So when we talk about startup, startup means going to start any new company, and those are going to those are starter of that startup are known as entrepreneurs. So when we talk
Mr.
about startup
Shivansh,
and the
please.
entrepreneurs, so in a startup and when we talk about entrepreneurship life, so there is two type of entrepreneur in today's scenario. Our first one is the accidental entrepreneur, and why I'm talking about accidental entrepreneur? Sometimes we are not getting job. In that is current scenario also. That post COVID, when we talk about job opportunities, that is very less in the industry. So that industrial scenario I'm going to tell you right now. And when we talk about self-made entrepreneurs, so those entrepreneurs are having a spirit of doing something different, and they are just coming up with an idea, and after that they are strict on that idea, and they are become a entrepreneur, and we can call them successful entrepreneurs. And second one, when we talk about accidental entrepreneurs, so in beginning they are accidental, but after that they become a self entrepreneur. So that is very much important. But now you all are in final year or pre-final year, so it's very important to you to understand that what is startup and what is the opportunity in a startup domain. What are the government schemes and how you can start a startup. And sometimes we are having a mindset that that startup is very tough. We have to do a lot of struggle over there. It's not like that. When we are having an idea, and we are willing to do something in the society, and we want to live our dream life, so for that there is only one option, that we have to start a startup. And it's not like that when we talk about a startup, it means we have to build a very big company or something like that. If we are self-employed means if we are generating a job for our own self, that is also part of entrepreneurship. So that is very important to understand. If you are earning your daily life living, and as well as you are earning smart money, and with doing small kind of self-employment, that is a very good startup in today's scenario. So there are many ways now in these days. There is some online earning tools over there, like social media, YouTube, and all that. Those are also known as entrepreneurs. So very important to understand what is the definition of a startup, and is it fashion, or it's from the spirit of that person. So now in this day, like government of India has given a flag of like the startup India, startup India. So everyone is crazy about it, that startup is very easy and something like that. It's not like that, but we have to be understood about it, that how it will work and how we can start our own startup. So why entrepreneurship or why startup? So these are some motivation factors that helping to become an entrepreneur, like being your own boss. Sometimes everyone having their unique nature, so they are familiar about their nature. some of the person is having like more aggression, and they are more capable to do work in less time, and some of out of when we talk about personality, some persons are so much lazy and they want to live in a peaceful environment, and they want to work over there. But when we talk about industry, so over there that environment is not suitable for everyone. So might be you have experienced that environment. So sometime, maximum time I have seen in the Himachal students and Himachali people. So they want to live in the Himachal and they don't want to do job outside, from the outside of the Himachal. So over there is a lot of opportunity to start a startup in a particular Himachal region, and from that Himachal region you can go internationally also. That is the opportunity over there. So second one is financial success. So sometimes we are having a dream of Ferrari or dream of having good car and having a dream of good living standard. So for that we need a finance, and that finance we can get with the help of entrepreneurship. So very important point, if you want to get a job or you want to become an entrepreneur, first of all you have to write down your dream, that what you want to achieve in your life, and for that you have to calculate that how much financial thing is required for achieving your goal. Write it down, and after that do calculation, because all you are engineering students, so engineering students are good in the math. So you have to do calculation that after 20 years, if I'm going to do this much job and how much salary I can get. So be realistic, and according to current scenarios and market job opportunity, you have to calculate your salary and calculate for up to 20 years, that where you will go if you are going to get this much salary. And also add your expenditure, that after 5 years you have to get married, and after that there is a lot of expenses of your families and your kids and their school fees, and after all the calculation you have to come out after 20 years, and you have to check that how much bank balance I will have at that time and what kind of life I'm going to live at that time. And second thing, that if that calculation is not matching your dreams, and you are thinking that you are not able to achieve your dream using that traditional job, then you have to think over it right now, that what I have to do to achieve my goal, achieve my dream, to enjoy my life, because life is we are seeing it in one time, so we have to enjoy it, we have to live it fully. So that is very much important, that calculation. I did it, that calculation I did 10 years before, and at that time that idea sparked in my mind, that if I'm going to do job, and what kind of job I can get after doing engineering, and after getting that job, after 20 years where I will go. So I did calculation, and just I realized at that time, and I thought that if I'm going to do that job, particular job, and I'm not able to fulfill my dream. So at that time I just decided that I want to be an entrepreneur. I have to do something different, with the help of that I can enjoy my life. So at that time I decided it, and after completing my graduation or engineering, I never look for the job, because that is very much important. So you have to work, do something for survival, but parallel you have to build your pathway. So that is very much important. And similar way, if you are having a bigger dream, for that you have to do more sacrifice, more hard work, and more dedication and more commitment is required for that. So job security. So over here, that is also major important part. Sometimes there is no job security in a private sector. But if you are going to start your own company, so you will be the owner of that company. So now you can see this one is very much important rule that I'm just telling you. Like if you want to become expert in any domain and want to become an entrepreneur of any particular field, for that you have to follow this 10K rule. This one is very much scientific that I'm just telling you. So in Harvard University, that research is being done on this 10K rule, and after that, that rule is being developed. So this one is practically rule. So over here, what way? That what you are passionate about and would you enjoy it? That is very much important to find out. If you know that I'm passionate about this tracking or some tourism and something like that, so go for that. And after that, devote 10,000 hours over there. It's not like you have to spend 10,000 hours, right? Or if you want to go in a time that particular subject or particular example is when we talk about you have to spend film industry, and we talk cricket, so over the Nitin Tendulkar. So that is very much important over there. Whatever you are going to do it, you have to be committed over there. And very going to spend that 10,000 to find having time over there. So after some time, you will get that thing. If to find area devote life. You can send one in whole India. So because of parameter of environment for the brain. Over there they send okay, so I think some connective be with me.
Maybe lag, some lag there. Please continue. Now it's okay.
Am I audible right now?
Yeah. It's you are audible now.
Yes, sir. So we talk about the Jugaad innovation. There are a few ideas that I'm just sharing. Only so much innovative. You see over here, these ideas are very much important in upcoming. When we talk about after 10 years, so at that time you will able to use this kind of Jugaad. So at this time, if you are going to use this Jugaad into a tank, Jugaad you have seen in many places, in local places. So over there we are finding this coffee making machine using that Jugaad. So might be you have seen that Padman movie. So over there that Jugaad is being used, and that Jugaad is being converted in innovation. So like this, you can see this one is a mouse trapping Jugaad, so that you can see. So, and this one is very cost effective. All the waste material is being used over here, and this Jugaad is being used. So this one is Jugaad, very interesting Jugaad, because for when we talk about rural area, over there is one of the major concern about cutting grass and all that. But this one is a Jugaad. But if you are going to build some technology related to that for making this mechanism easy, using some gear train or something like that, so that will be a wonderful technology in upcoming days for rural area, and government can also opt that technology. So this one is very interesting Jugaad. This one is also utilizing, we are so much efficient in utilizing all our waste resources. So this one is like that tank is being used for parking vehicles. YouTube में देख लिए. So this one is being used. One of the students made this project for physically challenged person. Those are not able to climb on the stair when they are using wheelchair. So this one wheelchair is being designed for those persons. Those are using wheelchair, and that can be used and that can be climbed on the stair. So sometimes the ramp is not available in every places, so that can be used. So this one is Mansukh Bhai Mittikol, and he is an innovator, and he is not so much educated. because sometimes we are thinking that only educator can do that thing or something like that. So he is not too much educated, but he is now in this day popular entrepreneur in India. So when you are going to search on the YouTube, you will find detailed biography of it, and he is making a fridge that is being running without electricity. So this one is a fridge that is being designed by him. So that concept of that fridge is working based on that pot we are using at our home. So that you can see. This one is a fridge. And now he is making a lot of utensil like these different utensil for home applications. So this one is a very amazing inventor. So the name is over here Rais Markani. Might be you heard about that water car. So that water car is being invented by this person. This one is Indian and from that Madhya Pradesh. So he is also working in a lot of innovations. So these are few ideas that I'm just sharing with you, and he is only 10th class educated up to 10. So yes, this one also a very useful jugaad that you can see it. This one is very simple and very easy to use. Now in upcoming days, like that summer is going to start, so over there this one is very much helpful. If any one of the student is going to work in that idea and they are going to make a small that portable desert cooler, so that will be very much helpful for small shopkeepers, and as well as Rediwala and Rickshawala can also use that one. And you can use, if you are going to integrate solar also with that, so that will be a very wonderful technology. Means some Rediwala, those are not having a roof on their ready. So what you can do, you can mount solar on their rooftop, and then after that you can run this one cooler using solar. So that will be very much effective. So this one is a very simple and very innovative ideas. Like you are going to use a helmet, and in the helmet you are going to use a fan. Maximum time what happening in the industry, that people and employees over there and worker over there are not wearing helmet. So if you are going to use, going to give them one fan also over there and one solar panel. So with the help of that fan will run. So that will be very much helpful. And one more add-on also you can do it. So what add-on you can do it over there? The add-on you can do over there, that is just connecting this solar panel with the mobile charger also. So if you are going to charge mobile, so that will be very much helpful for them, for the worker, because maximum time they are facing difficulty while working over there, because they used to listen song and all that, and sometimes their battery will get drained. So that will be very much helpful for them. So maximum time they will wear helmet. These are few more jugaads for rural areas. Like this one is a cooking system, so two-way cooking system, and we can call it chulha, effective and efficient chulha. So this kind of jugaad is also needed in India because majority of the population is living in the rural area. So over there that can be very much effective by using technology. And one more thing also you can add on over here, few ideas that I'm just sharing with you, and those ideas are $1 million ideas. So some might be you got some more interesting idea, and you can start your business also over there in that particular area. So over here I'm just giving you a few more idea add on over here. Like you can integrate one light also, and that light you are going to generate it over here using that heat over here that is being used using thermopeltier. And that chula will be very much effective in a rural area where there is electricity shortage. So that can also you do, and you can put some mobile charging port also. That innovation also you can add on over here in this chula, and you can make it smart chula. And this one is a very interesting innovation, like a washing machine, and without electricity that will run. So over there you can do exercise. So exercise can also be done over here, and also you are going to wash your clothes. So that is very much important. Now in upcoming days, because everything is going to become automatic, so over there will be no hard working job. So for that you need some kind of these innovative instrument, with the help of that you can do exercise and to avoid any kind of disease and something like that. So in the healthcare also there is huge opportunity for a startup. Yes, this one is very interesting to guys. So this one is a innovative alarm. So sometimes what happening that happened with me, might be you are also facing that difficulty, that I used to put alarm daily in my home, and that alarm I used to put daily 5 o'clock, but I never used to get up 5 o'clock because I just wake up and I used to switch off that alarm, and after that I'm going to sleep again. But if you are going to use that kind of effective alarm, so in beginning of 4 to 5, um, beginning of 5 to 10 seconds, you will not get aware that what happened during that sleep. So means someone has attacked on you, and you will get wake up, and that is the trigger point is required for getting wake up. So this kind of innovative product is required. Now in these days, you are going to build something innovative that become popular in overnight, because marketing is not an issue, but innovation is required over there, because might be you have seen a lot of viral videos. So over there, you will find a lot of innovative jugaad on the YouTube and the Facebook over there. So similar way, you have to make some product and you can get famous overnight. This kind of jugaad, everywhere we are Indian at jugaad. So this one is not any technology. I'm just telling you that everyone, we are using a lot of time our brain and we are building some jugaad. That jugaad we have to convert in innovation. We have to go for IPR and all that. So that is very much important. Like this one. Yes, this one is very interesting. And over here, I'm just going to give you 2 to 3 ideas. So if you are a genius, you will be able to use those ideas and you can come up with some startup idea over there. So like दुनिया में सबसे बुद्धिमान लोग हिंदुस्तान में हैं, यकीन नहीं तो आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. So over here you can see that the housewife is entertaining his kids over there, and lot of utensil is being provided over there. Now you can see it. So both work is being done. He is doing homework and as well as entertaining his kids. But now over here, one idea I'm just giving you. Recently, last week, one event is being organized by Government of India. So like 2 days before, that is Toy Hackathon. Toy Hackathon that is being conducted in India in different locations, online mode. In that Toy Hackathon, we have to build some toys and some learning toys, some entertainment toys for the kids. So over here, there is a lot of scope of some toys like some palna kind of things. So over there, you can make it smart. Like if you have your kids is over there, so that will start working, and when kids is crying, so there will be some sound and some entertainment thing over there, so that kids will be get busy over there. So maximum time how we have to take care of kids over here at the home. So there is one person dedicated for taking care of kids. So that kind of some innovative product you can build it, and you can come up with the market, and definitely you will that will be very much popular in a very short time. So idea is very much important. So there are few more problems, those are available in the market, and with the help of those, you can solve those problems, and your idea will be so much popular. So like water shortage, in like that summer is going to get started. So in upcoming day there will be a lot of shortage of water in different locations, and so if you are going to build something, some product or some services that can be save water, so that will be the hit idea in upcoming day. So what we do, these are about us. So like we are working in robotics, renewable energy, entrepreneurship development, energy engineering, design and product development, IoT and AI. These are our company's major area of work. So when we talk about industrial automation, so when we talk about job, if everyone is having a mindset of doing job, just see it over here, that how many manpower is working. That is happening in the industry. So just visualize it, that what kind of job is required over there, and how many manpower can be get absorbed over there in the industry. So when we talk about the company which can provide maximum job, that is automobile and manufacturing company. In automobile and manufacturing company, you can say fully automation is going on. If that kind of automation is going on over there, so what kind of job opportunities over there? There is only one alternate, that is entrepreneurship. So we can call it accidental entrepreneurship, or by interest, by choice entrepreneurship also. So you can start working on that right now. So no need to wait it. So come up with an idea, start working on that idea, and I will let you know at the end of this that how you can uh, use your idea to build your company. That also I will let you know. So over here you can see in a 1 minute cycle, 1 minute, one product is coming out. That kind of fast automation is going on in the industry. So these few plants is being also established in the India. One of the plant is Suzuki plant over here in India, and now Tesla also entered in the Indian market. So that plant will be fully automatic like this. So if other company has to survive in the market, they have to compete in a global competition. They have to go for the automation. There is no alternate. So there is a lot of scope in AI also. Like you can build some smart robot that can be helpful to fight COVID-19 also. Like when we have to be ready for any kind of crisis in upcoming days. So if you are going to build some kind of innovative product, so with the help of that you can serve that COVID-19 patient, and you can take care of the patient using this kind of robot. So that those kind of robot is so much popular in these days. So these are few appreciation certificate we received from NITER and different organization with the IIT Ropar director. These are few appreciation we have received from former director of Haryana Technical Education and currently vice chairman of AICT, Dr. MP Punia. He is our mentor also. So this one is a green vehicle that we have developed at NITER Chandigarh. So there is also huge scope in a green vehicle also. Yes. So these are few qualities that is required to become an entrepreneur, like self-confidence, that is highly needed, flexibility, independent. So these are very much few popular qualities that is required. Now I'm just sharing with you one video. So that is a very interesting video. Let's watch it.
हेलो, मेरा नाम है बर्क हेजेस। सबसे ज्यादा बिकने वाली किताब
Voice is audible to everyone. That video voice is audible.
द पैरेबल
Respond in the chat or via unmuting your mic if voice is audible.
ऑफ द पाइपलाइन का लेखक। मेरी किताब की शुरुआत
की कहानी से, जो दो अलग रास्तों से अपने पैसे कमाना चाहते थे। आप जो देखने वाले हैं वो एक मजेदार एनिमेटेड कहानी है। तो आराम से बैठिए और जीवन को बदलने वाले इस सबक को देखें। पैरेबल ऑफ द पाइपलाइन। दूर एक सुंदर वादी के पास एक गांव में दो मित्र रहते थे। पैब्लो और हमेशा अपने सपनों के बारे में बातें करते कि कैसे गांव में वो दो सबसे ज्यादा सफल बने। वो मेहनत करने से नहीं डरते थे, बस अपने लक्ष्यों और सपनों को पूरा करने के लिए अवसर की तलाश करते। एक दिन उन्हें वो अवसर मिल ही गया। गांव के मुखिया ने उन दोनों को पर्वत के ऊपर स्थित झरने से गांव में पानी लाने का काम सौंप दिया। वो जितना पानी लाएंगे उतने ही पैसे मिलेंगे। ब्रूनो और पैब्लो उत्साह के साथ काम पर लग गए। रोज सुबह से शाम तक वो बाल्टियों में पानी भर कर लाते। वो दोनों बड़ी मेहनत करते थे। और शाम को अपने अपने घर लौट जाते। ब्रूनो अपने काम और पैसे दोनों से खुश था। उसे यकीन था कि अपने कमाए पैसों से वो अपना सपना पूरा कर पाएगा। ब्रूनो ने सोचा बड़ी बाल्टियों से वो और भी ज्यादा पानी भर सकेगा। ज्यादा पैसों से एक गाय और फिर एक घर का सपना वो पूरा कर पाएगा। लेकिन पैब्लो खुश नहीं था। शाम होते होते उसकी पीठ और हाथों में दर्द होता और वो थक भी जाता। किसी आसान तरीके से पैसे कमाने के बारे में वो सोचने लगा। एक दिन पैब्लो के मन में विचार आया, पर्वत की झील से गांव तक पानी पहुंचाने के लिए पाइपलाइन के निर्माण का विचार। इस पाइपलाइन से गांव में पानी आएगा, वो भी बिना कोई बाल्टी उठाए। बड़े उत्साह के साथ वो अपने विचार को कार्य में बदलने के बारे में सोचने लगा। जाहिर है पैब्लो ने अपने मित्र ब्रूनो को इस काम के बारे में बताया और उसे पाइपलाइन के निर्माण में मदद भी करने को कहा। ब्रूनो को ये एक पागलपन लगा। ब्रूनो सिर्फ आज कमाए पैसों से क्या करे, यही सोचता। उसे लगा पाइपलाइन का निर्माण करते करते वो अपने लक्ष्यों को जल्द ही पूरा नहीं कर पाएगा। ब्रूनो ने बड़ी बाल्टियां लाईं ताकि वो और ज्यादा पानी भरकर ला सके। उसे यकीन था कि इस तरीके से वो ज्यादा पैसे कमा पाएगा। पैब्लो ने अकेले ही पाइपलाइन का निर्माण करने का निश्चय किया। पैब्लो जानता था कि उसे पूरा करने में उसे कई साल लगेंगे, लेकिन उसका मन अपने लक्ष्य पर केंद्रित था। पहले की तरह वो रोज पानी लाता था, लेकिन सप्ताह के अंत में खाली समय में वो जमीन खोदकर पाइपलाइन बनाने लगा। पहले महीने में पैब्लो ज्यादा काम नहीं कर पाया। ब्रूनो और बाकी गांव वाले हंसते और उसका मजाक उड़ाते। वो कहते, हे, वो देखो पैब्लो द पाइपलाइन मैन। इस दौरान ब्रूनो की कमाई दुगनी हुई। उसने गाय खरीदी और एक बड़ा घर भी। उसकी जीवन शैली बदल गई। काम के बाद वो बार में बैठता। अब वो अपनी कमाई पर जीने लगा। लेकिन ब्रूनो को इसका एहसास नहीं हुआ कि रोज बाल्टियां उठाते उठाते उसका शरीर थक गया था। चेहरे पर भी थकान दिखाई देती। अब वो कम पानी लाने लगा। हर महीने पैब्लो काम करता रहा। जल्द ही एक साल बीत गया, फिर दूसरा साल। आखिरकार पैब्लो ने पाइपलाइन का निर्माण पूरा किया। बाल्टियों की बजाय पैब्लो पाइपलाइन के जरिए गांव तक पानी पहुंचाने लगा। पैब्लो अब काम नहीं करता था, वो आराम करता था, तब भी पानी बहता था। पैब्लो बहुत खुश था। अपने ज्ञान, दृढ़ता और मेहनत पर उसे गर्व था। पाइपलाइन से पानी बहने लगा और उसे पैसे मिलने लगे। ब्रूनो और पैब्लो की कहानी जीवन का प्रतिबिंब है। पैसे कमाने के लिए लोग क्या करते हैं, इसका नौकरी एक प्रतीक है। बाल्टियों का प्रयोग कर ब्रूनो अपने पैसे कमाता था। पैसों के बदले वो झरने से पानी भरकर गांव में लेकर आता। ज्यादा पैसे कमाने के लिए उसे या तो झरने से गांव तक ज्यादा चक्कर काटने पड़ते या फिर बड़ी बाल्टियां लेनी पड़ती। असली जीवन में ज्यादा पैसे कमाने के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, ये एक आम बात है। मिसाल के तौर पर ज्यादा समय तक काम करना या एक और नौकरी करना। ज्यादा पैसे वाले रुतबे को स्वीकार कर हम भी अपनी बाल्टी का आकार बड़ा करते हैं। हम में से कई ब्रूनो की तरह पैसों के बदले अपना समय देते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि हर व्यक्ति के पास एक पूरे दिन में सिर्फ 24 घंटे होते हैं और ये सारा समय काम में बिताना संभव नहीं है। सबसे कठिन समय तब आता है जब पैसों के बदले हम उम्र, सेहत और बाकी कारणों से अपना समय नहीं दे पाते हैं। तब हमें पैसे मिलना बंद हो जाता है। अब पाब्लो ने क्या किया, इस पर गौर करें। पाब्लो ने थोड़े पैसों के बदले अपना सारा समय नहीं दिया, बल्कि थोड़ा समय पाइपलाइन के निर्माण में लगाया। उसे मालूम था इस पाइपलाइन के जरिए उसे ज्यादा पैसे मिलेंगे। उसे पता था कि किसी दिन शायद उम्र या बिगड़ती सेहत के कारण वो पैसों के बदले अपना सारा उपलब्ध समय नहीं दे पाएगा। पाब्लो को पता था कि पाइपलाइन के विचार को कार्य में बदलने के लिए ही उसे मेहनत करनी होगी। पाइपलाइन बन जाने के बाद उसे सिर्फ पानी के बहाव की ओर ध्यान और निर्देशन का काम करना होगा। इससे उसे नियमित रूप से पैसे मिलेंगे। पाब्लो ने हमें सिखाया कि कैसे पैसे कमाने के लिए हमें हमेशा अपना
So this one is very simple story, and in this story you can take a look how that Pablo is making some system. That is very much important. In our daily life also, we are doing that kind of additional thing, and when we talk about some innovative idea, we used to avoid that idea. So very important point is that we have to build some system. With the help of that we can get long-term revenue out of that. So that is real entrepreneurship example. So this one is how to start a startup. If we want to start a startup, so these are basic steps you can follow to become an entrepreneur. So first one is over here, live in the future. So you have to be ahead from the time. That you should know that what is happening in upcoming 5 year or 10 year, what is the opportunity in upcoming days. That is very much important. So like when we talk about in upcoming days, so in the automobile sector there will be huge scope in upcoming days in the electric segment, so electric vehicles. So that is going to come up because everything we have to make it green to reduce pollutions. So might be you have seen few incident recently that government has bring up with some scrap policy or something like that. So second one is whatever idea you are having, first of all you have to find out what is missing in the world, that what is needed in the society. So if there is something that is needed and if you are going to provide it, so you will become a successful businessman and as well as entrepreneur. So second one is, third one is write it down. That is very much important. So like just take an example that real story I'm just telling with you, Jeff Bezos. So that is Amazon founder, Jeff Bezos. So when he has started his company, but before starting he was working in a bank as a clerical job over there. But one day he was sitting in a cafe, and over there he thought that a lot of people used to read books. So at that time he thought that if I'm going to provide some platform over there, people can hire or can take book on the rent in an online platform. So that would be good opportunity in upcoming days. At that time he has written that idea in a tissue paper over there. He was not having any kind of notepad. So now you can see the top company, top 5 company when we talk about in the world, that one of them is Amazon over there. And when we talk about top richest, so top 10 richest over there you will find Jeff Bezos over there. So make a prototype. So when you are having that this one idea will work, so maximum time people are having a lot of idea and they are thinking that this one idea will work. but they are not going to act on that idea. So they are not going to build a prototype of that. So that's why maximum idea get obsoleted on the brain only. So you have to make a or not. One and two people can say that this will not work. This one is a crazy idea, but you have to show that prototype to 100 people minimum. And after that, whatever modification that comes from that 100 people, you can modify it, and then after that find your co-founder and your team members, and then you can register your entity. So you can register your entity in a two format, like you can go for very simple, that is proprietor company, proprietorship firm, and second one is partnership firm. Then after that you can go with LLP, then any corporations like company over there also you can go. These are different modes that is suggested based on your idea and what you are going to build it and where you want to do your business. Then look for funding. If funding is required, then you can go for the funding also, and you can launch your idea to investors, and you can pitch your idea over there, and you will get a lot of funding over there if your idea is workable and worthwhile. And a very important point, sometime over here when you are having a good idea, you can go for patenting also. That idea also you can patent it. That is very much important. Sometimes if you are going to discuss with the other person, that will get leaked. So if there is something that is very interesting and idea is valuable, so you can go for patenting that idea also. And after that, you can increase your subscriber or user of that particular product, and you can increase your growth cycle. So that is a startup, a flow chart of that startup, and you can follow it, and definitely that will be very much helpful for you. So now when we talk about government schemes and incentives about a startup, so how you can get the incentive over there in different schemes. So one of the interesting scheme over here in India, that is about Stand Up India, Startup India. So that is two scheme over there in India, that is Startup and Stand Up. Over there, there is some sub schemes, we can call it like Mudra Bank. So with the help of that, you will get a loan without guarantee. So there are different range of that loan, like Awares, TISU, and many more. So now we are going to discuss about all the schemes. So let's see it over here. Startup India Action Plan by Government of India. So let's see a very small clip over here on a Startup India by Prime Minister of India. So that clip I'm just sharing over here, and after that I'm going to discuss all the schemes over here. That what is incentive over here in the startup, what are the advantages of a startup, so that I'm going to discuss over here in detail. So before that, I'm just going to share with you a small video clip. So that is very much interesting.
देश के हर इंसान के
So that fast processing also carried out over there. So that is about intellectual property right for 3 years and credit guarantee scheme. With the help of that over there you will get the loan on your ideas. So there is few schemes like KVIC, Khadi Vigyan Industrial Corporation. Over there also in a rural area, if you are going to start any unit in a rural area, over there also students having any idea, and from that idea if they are going to make a prototype, so government is providing funds from 50,000 rupees to 2 to 3 lakh rupees, and that is not returnable money, and you have to make a prototype and you have to submit that prototype to the department over there in the DST department, and they will evaluate it, and if they are thinking that this one is a good idea, so they are going to provide grant up to 2 crore on that particular idea. So these are very good schemes. You can apply it directly, and this one is a link of that website. Now after that, that website, and over there you will find many more schemes also. And now I'm just sharing with you that when you are going to register any legal entity, so there are different mode of legal entity. You can go with a private limited company, you can go with a registered partnership system, and you can go with LLC also. That is also one mode of legal company. So these are different types. Like if you are going to start your own startup with a one person, so you can go for proprietor. So that is one of the easy way of starting a startup with a legal entity. So that you can register it, and you can get GST number and all that, and you can start selling online also and offline also. That is up to you. So that is partnership from two partners is over there, and you can go for partnership from an LLC, and private limited, and public company. So these are like there is in today's scenario, like easy of doing business is over here in India. In one day you can register your company, and then you have a partnership that only 2 to 3,000 rupees charges you will find over there for getting your registration or something like that. Like for that you need a DIN number, director identification number, and you need another one that is your digital signature. For that you have to pay charges, otherwise that is free over there. So that you can do it easily over there. Now this one is the Ministry of Corporate Affairs website. Over there you can get all the legal incorporation of the company. And now I'm coming to this one is a Startup India web portal. If you want to know more detail about the Startup India, so over there is a dedicated website, and over there you will get more detail over there. So last one, this one is very good quote. I used to say at the end, I can't accept failure. Everyone fail at something, but I can't accept not trying again. That is very much important. So now it's time to fly, and now one more video that I'm just sharing with you at the end. So be with me. Ask over here by unmuting mic, or they can ask in the chat box. I will be happy to answer your queries, and these are my contact details. Further also, if you want to know anything related to a startup, and if you are going to start with any idea, you feel free to contact me, and I will be happy to help you out. So thank you so much to all. Now I'm coming to question answer. Pankaj sir,
if anyone has any query, he can